Hello managers, today we will take you through a very important report that will help you gain visibility of the different activities your sales team is recording through the SFA application so that you can guide them about the best practices to use the application and improve the overall performance of your team. To access this report, you need to first go to your web portal, that is orient.bizom.in. Once you reach orient.bizom.in, you have to enter your username and password. Please note that the username password of your web portal is the same as your SFA application login credentials. Once you log in, this is the first landing page that you will enter. In this landing page, you will know the number of users you are managing and the different distributors that you are covering. Once you have logged into this portal, please click on Reports. Under Reports, you need to go to Attendance. Once you have reached Attendance, you need to click on Update. Once you have updated this particular report, you will get all the details of your users. So this will have all your reportees. What is the time of attendance? What is the status of their attendance? What is their end of day time? What are the number of unique primary calls they have done? The number of unique secondary calls they have done? How many of those calls were productive? And based on this, once the end of day is captured, it will tell you what was the time that they spent on primary calls, the time that they spent on secondary calls, the time that they spent on various other activities that are being captured, such as the non-market activity, electrician meets for switchgear, etc. And finally, it will tell you the travel time. Please note that the travel time of any reportee is calculated as their total time minus the time that they spent on different activities. So for example, since today a lot of users have not marked their end of day since we are still in the middle of the day, I will take yesterday's day and I will click on Update. So once I click on Update, and if I go to any one user, I will see that the user has marked his attendance at 8:47. They have marked his end of day at 6:02. During this time, the user had actually spent a total time of 9 hours and 14 minutes on the day, during the day from start to end. And here, as you can see, the person has recorded only some indirect outlet visits for 2 minutes. Therefore, the travel time, as previously mentioned, is reduced from the total time minus all these different times that are captured through the different activities of the application. So as you can see, let's take an example of another user who has spent a total time of 10 hours 51 minutes from marking his attendance to end of day. Now this user had a primary call of 11 minutes. He spent 5 hours and 20 minutes on different secondary calls, and hence the total travel time came to 5 hours and 20 minutes. Since currently the focus is on pushing the sales team to mark their different visits, the sales team we are not really pushing the sales team for the time that they are recording. However, going forward, we need to tell the team that they just do not have to mark the visits and record their orders, but also mark it in a proper manner such that when they are starting the visit, they start the call, and at the end of the visit they submit the call so that their time gets captured accurately. Otherwise, as you can see currently, the travel time will end up becoming very large for a lot of the users. But this is the first report, which is like a summary report of all the different sales team members who are reporting to you. You can easily view what is the time of their attendance, what is the different calls that they are making, and the time split across different activities. Now let us go through the different filters that are at offer. Since I have logged into an NSM login, there is an option of zones. However, if any one of you uh, are managing a particular zone, you will only have that particular zone for selection. Under subzone, you will have the different depots. Please note that these depots are the supplying depots of the different distributors, and you can mark the depots and to ensure that only the team members linked to distributors being supplied by these depots are showing. You can then select the user specifically if there is one specific user you want to whose performance you want to view. Then you can also select the different designations. Kindly note, currently it shows all the different designations, so this might be not be very useful. However, these first three filters will be very helpful for you to view the performance of your reportees. The final tab is the tab which gives you the different time ranges. You can select from yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, or you can do a custom range. When I click on the custom range, I just need to mention the start date. Say for example, if I want to check my attendance of my team from 1st of September till the 15th of September, 1st of September till the 15th of September, I will get this range and I will have to apply this, and then I'll have to update. Once this gets updated, you will see that for every user there will be 15 line items, one for each day. The date will be mentioned here. This report only has up to 100 rows when you are viewing on the portal. However, if you want to view and analyze this entire report, you can download it. You have to click this drop down button next to the update button and click on download. Once you click on download, please be patient and give it at least a minute or two. And once you give it a minute or two, it will show that the attendance report can be downloaded. So if I download this attendance report, I can then view it and make all the changes. It will have the same columns and the same row items as I can see on the visualize on the portal. Okay, so then you can just open your Excel and you can quickly check how the information is being viewed, and you can do all your analysis with your sales team. So through these simple steps, you can view a summary of the different activities that are being captured by your sales team through the SFA application, and also get a high level view of their productivity. Hope you found this particular video useful. Thank you.